Hello and welcome to Idea X Hub channel where ideas meet AI. Today we will learn how to build a chatbot for your website, and to make it practical we will use a real example, building a chatbot for a library. But first let us quickly talk about what a chatbot actually is. A chatbot is like a virtual assistant that chats with the visitors and answers their questions instantly 24/7. You probably have seen them on websites, helping with shopping, customer service, or even booking travel. Now imagine that on your library's website there is a chatbot that can answer common questions like library hours, renewals, some events timings, even when the library is closed. That means instant service to the users, but less pressure on the librarians. And the best part, you don't need to be a programmer. With today's no-code tools, anyone can build a chatbot. In this video, I will walk you step by step through the process using an online platform, from building and training your chatbot, and thereafter I will tell you that you can simply publish it on your library's website. So let's get started. You may ask, why should a library even consider a chatbot? The answer is very simple: accessibility. With a chatbot, your library never really closes. Users can ask things like, what are your hours? How do I renew a book? Anytime, day or night. Chatbots also handle repetitive questions like printing instructions or borrowing policies. They can do their job, and while librarians can focus on meaningful work like helping researchers or doing community programs, and even personalized support to their users. It is not about replacing the staff. It is all about freeing them for the work that only people can do. But before you jump into a platform for building your chatbot, first of all, make a plan. Define your goals. What problems will your chatbot solve? Maybe cutting down on telephone calls about hours, or answering questions about events. Identify your use cases. Start with high volume repetitive questions like hours, book availability, or renewals, and know your audience. That is very important. A public library may have a chatbot that will focus on programs for kids and families, while a university library's chatbot may focus on databases and research tools. So, match your chatbot to your user. There are many no-code chatbots platform out there, like HubSpot, Chatlink, Typebot. But for this demo, we will use Jotform.com. It is simple, powerful, and makes it easy to build, train, and publish a chatbot, even if you have never coded before. Let us search for Jotform and visit its website, and then create an account over there with our Google account, and we continue, enter into the website, then we say create it, and then we create a AI agent, and then we describe what type of agent we want. We will say to create a chatbot for a library. So we enter like this prompt: create a chatbot for our library. Okay. So we need to define what type of agent we want. Agent here means a chatbot. So it starts creating a chatbot for us, and it is done. It has built a chatbot. We can do our own customization, and these are the things that we can do: navigation, welcome, greetings. In welcome, there other options are also there. So we can customize the agent which the system has developed or built. Then how it will look like. If it is a standalone web page, it will look like this, or if it is a chatbot, then like this. There are some other tools are also available. We need not concentrate for the demo at this moment, and let us start for the next step, and that is the training of the our chatbot. So you can do the training, and you can put a lot of information like knowledge base, files, links, question and answer, YouTube, and so forth. Whatever sources are available, you can put to train the chatbot. Then we can personalize also the chatbot, like we can give a name and a role, what role it is going to play, and what type, what language it will speak, and in what tone it will be there. We will select the friendly one, and there are so many other options are there, like actions, tools, so many other tools are available, but we will only concentrate at this moment on the training of the chatbot. So for training, we will use a link to a website. I have selected library DTU AC in Delhi Technological University Library, and it has given a list of pages which are available from the website, and at a moment it can grab up to 10 pages you can select. Then further, if you want to train, you can select further pages. So we have selected all important pages of the library website, where we can expect the users would be asking the questions, and this is how it can be done. If you want have other pages, you can do later on. And the periodicity, how it will crawl the website. So if the website changes, some rules changes, then it need to update itself. So I have said to daily crawling the website. This agent will daily crawl the library website and train itself. Then publishing is very simple. We click the publish button. It will give us a link. That link we can copy and paste into our website. If we have a website on various platforms, we can select that platform, and it will further give us instructions how to we can put the link over there. So let us test it. We can use it as a chatbot, means it will be there on a library, one of the library web page, and it will pop up, or it could be a standalone page in the library website. So we have selected here the mobile preview of the chatbot, and let us see if we ask questions like whether the library remains open on Sundays. Let us see what it gives. Yes, the library do open on Sundays, and the timings are given 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Now we ask whether some journals are available. We ask whether IEEE journals are available. It says yes, IEEE journals are available, and even in the electronic form, for which we need to have a password, which can be taken from the library itself. Then we ask what is the location of the library. It gives the exact location of the library, so, along with the telephone number. We can even talk with it using the voice things, and this chat we can do by typing the text. So all form of reviews we can see. If we can have, you want a complete page for that, here we can give, and it will have some additional features like frequently asked questions would be there. So need not type, just click already given question, like we had clicked on to explore library resources, it then responded. Once you are happy with your chatbot, it is time to publish. Click publish in Jotform, then choose how you want to share it. You can use a direct link or embed it on your library's website. Just copy the small code snippet, paste it into your site and then refresh your website, and there it is, your chatbot live on your site. Launching a chatbot on your website is not the end. You need to promote it, make it visible on your homepage, announce it in the newsletters, post about it on social media, and put up signs in the library. Train staff so they can guide the users to use it for quick answers. The more people use it, the smarter and more valuable your chatbot becomes. So, there you have it. We planned a chatbot, built it on a no-code platform, trained it with real library content, and then published it. Chatbots are not just a trend. They are actually an essential tool for any modern library. They provide 24/7 support, improve access, and free librarians to focus on connecting with the people. So, are you ready to build your own library chatbot? Try it. Use some online no-code platform. There are many which offers free service to start with, and please let us know about your work and how you are using it. If you have any problem or any suggestion or any questions, please do write in the comments. So, if you have found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your colleagues. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel IdeaX Hub. So, thanks for watching.